Hello everyone, welcome to Java Tutorials. My name is Kishore. In this video, we will discuss about typecasting, which is also known as type conversion. So usually the type conversion is done when you try to assign higher type values to the lower types or lower type values to the higher types. Some of them are automatic and some of them we need to explicitly convert. Since there are two types of data types, one is primitive data types and another is derived data types, each has two types of type conversion. In primitive data types, we have auto widening and explicit narrowing, and in derived data types, we have auto upcasting and explicit downcasting. First, we will discuss about the primitive data types type conversion, which has auto widening and explicit narrowing. Why you need type conversion is sometimes Java types need to be converted to other types. Probably Java wants your Java data to be stored in the database means you need to convert Java type to SQL type. And sometimes from different devices like mobile or from browser, the data might come to the Java applications. In that case, those data coming from these different locations or these different resources should be converted to the Java types. Sometimes you also want to convert Java type to Java type, like it could be from long to int or int to long or int to double based on the requirement. To understand that, let me take an example of having one price and calculating the total price based on the number of products. What I will do is I will create one variable called price here. Let's say price is 4.5 and the number of products we will give it as 3. Now, what I want to do is I want to calculate the total price by multiplying products with price. In that case, I obviously get a double value, but I want to convert this to whole number so that I could show the total price is this much in whole number to the customer. In that case, whenever I calculate price and products, because price is double type and products is in type, when you manipulate these two variables, the result is going to be double. But I want the result to be whole number means it should be long or int or short or byte. So here double should be converted to whole number types. In that case, we need a type conversion mechanism. Let's now calculate the total price like this. Total equals price into products. And if I try to print total equals what would be the total value? It is printing 13.5, but I don't want 13.5 to be shown to the customer. I want to convert into whole number. In that case, what I will do is I will write here int total value equals total. And look at the compilation error. It is unable to convert the double to int because you are assigning higher type to lower type. Whenever you are assigning higher type value to the lower type data type, the compiler will raise an error. It cannot be automatic. You have to explicitly do it. How do you explicitly do this? You need to just mention within the parenthesis int so that the type total, which is of double, is now reduced as int type. And now the total value is going to have the int value of this total. And let's see what is the total value now. Let me print that. And if I run this program, I would see 13. And this is called as what? Explicit narrowing, because you are reducing the value of total explicitly. You are actually going to say this as explicit narrowing. And what about automatic type conversion in primitive data type, that is called as auto widening? When it will occur is, say for example, you have one variable id and Probably you have one setter method in user class that has a set ID method, but it is taking long variable value. And in that case, you want to pass this ID to this variable long so that so that the user class ID variable is going to be initialized, but its ID is long type. In that case, you are assigning the int to long. That is something like this: long L equals to ID. And here you are assigning lower type value to higher type. And what Java does is it is going to automatically increase the size of the memory, which is actually from 4 bytes to 8 bytes, and it assigns the value. And this is automatic. That's why it is called as auto widening. So let me print the value of L. It is going to be still same. Let me run this program and I would see L equals to 10. So this is how you achieve explicit narrowing and auto widening for primitive data types. And for derived data types, there is auto upcasting and explicit downcasting that we will see in the next video. Thank you so much.